Oh my God!
Woo! Let's go! Oh yeah, hey there guys. Hey, yeah, we're helping push some birds this morning. Yeah, we're gonna get them out of the pen, gonna get them loaded up for some hunters, you know. And as you can see, it's not very easy. It's kind of dangerous. Got a little bloody nose here. We had one hit me right in the nose this morning. So yep, we're gonna keep on rounding these little guys up here. It's kind of like chasing cats. It's not very easy sometimes, but we'll get a few videos here of these darn birds, and they like to get around here. So yeah, a little protection never hurt nobody. Gotta protect that nose, you know. Keep your head down and keep them moving. Keep guys. Ah, son of a gun. That's how you get a broken nose around here. Get on out of here. Shut. Jeez. It's gonna get crazy around here real quick here. Like, yep, here we go. Yeah, hey there guys, we're back at the other farm now, and here we got some little baby quails on this side of the fence over there, all bundled up, you know. And I guess we're gonna go get some chuckers now. They like to chuck. These guys don't look quite so big, so I don't think we'll get another bloody nose here from these little guys. Oh geez, watch out, watch yourselves. Get the heck out of the way there. For a little bit faster there, you gotta be real quick, like cat-like reflexes with your net here. Help and run, baby! Oh yeah! Oh shit!
What the hell is that? Hey, come over here and look at this deal. What the hell is that? Yeah!
Pyong, pyong. Yeah, how's that working for you there?
Go.
You make them nervous.
Oh, go, yeah.
Stay even. This is just like when you work cattle, you guys. Oh.
Oh, I work them like
You're
this.
doing this.
Thanks, Bigger Don't. You're the greatest. Yep, good job, guys. Yep. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. About to one-hand one. Oh, shit.
in there.
Somebody's gotta get the door.
Get the door. Get the door! Get the door! Oh my god! I'd be...
I forgot to tell you to put a sweatshirt on.
Get that sunlight action in there. Look at that whole reflection. Grab her by the leg. Yay! Jeez. Stay strapped. Oh yeah, we got her fixed up right there. Yep. Good. Good. Yep.
Let you put them in boxes.
Okay. Oh jeez! That's a good shot right there, right into the GoPro. He spurred me. Oh jeez.
Come on, get in there. Get him.
I got him. They're spurring me. These things are growing some good spurs. Oh jeez. So you can see they're sharp spurs. Oh yeah. It's all a bit sharp there. Is that it?
Uno momento.
Quit rolling there. 1 minute?
No, one more.
You said 1 minute.
No. You
Momento?
forgot how many?
No, I just don't know Espanol. One more in there.
Uno momento?
One,
Two.
three,
Trace.
four. Next box.
What?
Next box.
All day, jeez.
Ow, he's spurring me. Ow! He's spurring me. Ow!
I know he is.
Stop.
Alright. Okay, now you guys can net. We're gonna
Everything.
net the roosters and we're gonna throw them all out. They're just too short. What's our flag whips though?
The pheasants have large talons.
Do the chickens have large talons? Do they have what? Large talons.
That's a 3-bagger.
Those are so stupid.